Hi, Ashton. Hey, sweetie. You're gonna be fine. We're gonna go to the vet today. I think you have a little abscess on under one of your right paws. You're gonna be fine. Handsome boy. Rescued yesterday. Ashlyn. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, pretty girl. Hi, Ashlyn. Ashlyn went to the vet a couple of days ago. She had an abscess and it was successfully drained and she is doing so much better. But right now she just wants to rest. Hello, Annika. Pretty girl. You were just rescued last night and you're doing really good. You're going to your new foster home today with your sister. Annika. Ashlyn, your ears folded back. We're going to your foster home. It'll be a lot of fun because you'll get to be in a bigger space and get to play and get a lot of love. Yeah. I know you're scared, but things will be better. Don't worry. Hi, sweeties. Hello, you good little babies. Just rescued today. The front kitten is a little boy. The kitten in the back is a little girl. They're a little scared. They don't know what's happening. They're about 10 weeks old, I think. Hey, cute kittens. You were rescued a few hours ago and you are going to your foster home in a little bit. And we're going to try to find your other siblings. There's 2 more left. You're okay. I know you're scared. But you're okay. Hey, buddy.